Good morning, beautiful sunny day here. So I'm just going to show you how to do the head of Pooh Bear, or what is normally called the hat or the beanie area. And so I wrote this little visual recipe out for myself. I've made a separate video if you want to take a screenshot. It shows all the rows and other things I do, and I added my scarf and my bag that I made for Paddington Bear. So the hat, the easiest way to remember is you start on knitting 4 stitches, 3, 2, 1, for the different knit rows. That's just the way I remember it, 4, 3, 2, 1. But anyway, I'm going to show you what this means. So let's have a go. So first of all, you're going to knit 4. It's just a bit awkward with the way I've got my camera set up. My needles are actually a bit big to fit into the area. So knit 4, knit 2 together. And I struggle because I'm a tight knitter and a tight crocheter. And then knit 4, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together, right to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together, 1, 2, 3, 4. It helps me to, if I count, otherwise I completely forget. Knit 2 together, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2 together. Whoops, missed. And then I've only got 2 left, so I'll just knit 2. And then on the other side, you just purl all the way to the end. The decreasing is only done on the knit side. So I'm glad my little videos are helping some of you. That's the idea of my channel. We have a go. There's no harm in having a go. And I haven't got my light on, so I hope you can see clearly. It changes depending on if it goes cloudy or not. So these little dolls are such fun to make. And you can change them up any way you like. Add things to them. So just remember, it's meant to be fun and relaxing. You don't have to keep up with everyone else. And so the next, and if I'm going too fast, just pause. You can pause at any time and then restart the video. I just have very limited minutes on my phone to do a video. So the next decreasing will be knit 3. 1, 2, 3, and then knit 2 together. 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, right to the end of the row. 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together. 1, 2, 3. So are you doing your Pooh Bear orange like me or yellow? knit 2 together, 1, 2, 3. Let me know in the comments what colour you've done, Pooh Bear. Knit 2 together, 2 left, so I'll just knit them. And then of course we go back and we just purl to the end. I might give my Pooh Bear a scarf. Seems to just finish them off, even though I know he doesn't wear one. Who has the satchel? Excuse me, who has the satchel, the bag? I think we call them satchels or crossbody bags. Is that Piglet? No, that's Pooh Bear, isn't it, to keep his honey in? I'll have to Google a picture and see if he has a satchel or a crossbody bag. I'm meant to be keeping this simple. I'm not meant to be doing lots of extras, but it's fun, isn't it? And then this next decreasing row is knit 2 together until the end of the row. Knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 2, 2 together, knit 2, 2 together, knit 2, 2 together, and then 2 left, so I'll just knit those. Isn't it interesting how everyone holds their needles and yarn differently as well? Same as in crochet. Everyone's different. And then of course this side you just purl again. Oh, go around. So I just thought I'd do a quick video this morning before I'm off out to visit a friend and enjoy the sunshine that we have. And then this decreasing row, running out of yarn here, wonder if I'll make it, is knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, oops, get in there, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, and then I've got 2 left. Whoops, the yarn split a bit, and then I've got 2 left, so I'll just knit those. I'm going to run out of yarn. I've only got a little piece left. Then purl the other side. Excuse me. I might make it. I've just got this little piece of yarn left. Just the right length. So then your very last decreasing row is, excuse me, got a frog. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, right to the end, knit 2 together, oops, that one didn't want to go in, knit 2 together, and there you've finished it. Now sometimes I've done an extra purl row and then I've cast off, but somebody else said to me, have a go at just using a needle and taking the stitches off. So let's see what that's going to do. Take the stitches off, and if I don't like it, I'll be in trouble. And pull it through. What does that look like? Well, that makes it nice and tidy, doesn't it? And you can see it decreasing here as you've gone along. Hope the lighting's all right. Let me see what you can see. It's a bit dark for you, but never mind. So there you go. That's Pooh Bear's head. So all you do now is fold it, and I use the orange to sew down the orange, and I'll use the red to sew the red, and I'll use the orange again to sew the orange, and then I'll stuff it, and I'll come back and do that. So make sure you pull this up here nice and tight and just thread it through again, or somehow when you just knot it through. I think I'll just try knotting it up here, see what happens. Oh yeah, that pulls it through. So I'm just going to hand sew down the side here with my different colours, and then I'll come back. So that was the pattern here. Now it makes sense. Knit 4, knit 2 together, and the arrow was to the end of the row. And then you purl the next one, then knit 3 stitches, knit 2 together until the end of the row, knit 2 together, knit 2 stitches, knit 2 together to the end of the row, knit 1, and then knit 2 together to the end of the row was the very last one. So now that's what makes sense. You can understand my little visual pattern that I've made myself. So you can screenshot this and have a look at my other video if you want to make sense. But there, you've done your head. Right, I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.